What's going on, everybody? We are in the final weeks of June, getting into July, and last year this whole area right here, I planted a food plot, and June, July, I had several bucks coming in here, a lot of does, but this area is pretty heavily packed with hogs when they're here. When they're not here, the deer movement, the deer activity is phenomenal. And right up here, I have a lock-on, and last year I hunted about 200 yards in that direction, and that was mainly my little spot. But this permission spot that I have, when I enter right through here and walk back into here, it's just this perfect open little cove, and it's like just enough sunlight that comes through in order for a food plot to really flourish. And but I'm gonna do something a little different today. It's pretty dry in here, so I actually bought a 30-gallon tub. I actually think it's 40. I think they gave me the wrong one, because now that I've started looking at it, I bought a 30, but I think it's bigger. But it's pretty dry in here when it is normally wet. We've had Florida and Georgia's really been dry, and if anybody's seen on the news or following along, like we've had a lot of fires here lately, and I think they're subsiding and everything, but and none of this area has been impacted. But I'm coming in here, and I'm kind of want to, just for the people that aren't as fortunate to that have access to equipment, or maybe the funds aren't there to be able to rent one, I'm here with a shovel, a hoe, and a rake, and I have a 50-pound bag of brown top millet that I'm going to I'm going to get all of this directly down to the dirt, all of these sticks and everything from just all the dead fallen debris. I'm picking it up, moving it completely out of here. Because before, I came in here with my tractor and my tiller, came in here and got all of this up. And the homeowner, he's actually nice enough, he's just gonna let me use the water, so I didn't have to bring any. So I'm gonna get a 5-gallon bucket, and however many trips it takes is what it's gonna take. Should be about 6 or 7 trips. I'm gonna fill up a 5-gallon bucket, fill that all the way up, but I'm gonna trek it about 150 to 200 yards. But I'm gonna get all this cleaned up right in here, get every single bit of this cleaned up. I'm gonna put the corn that I got in this gravity feeder, so that way if the hogs do come in, hopefully they won't knock it down. And then I'm gonna plant this. There actually is a little bit of standing water right there, which is good. But back here, all of this is swamp, and I'm pretty sure it's dry. Last year, you couldn't walk where you weren't going almost above your knees. So this video is kind of just a little DIY that, with a little bit of extra hard work and preparation, that you can make it happen. And I'm not saying that you have to have a food plot to kill a deer. A lot of people hunt public land, but this is a permission spot that I have access to. I've had access to it for, this will be the 3rd deer season. And on the channel, I killed my 6-point buck in here with my bow after about 10 years of not bow hunting, and ended up killing him just 200 yards over there. I got another lock-on that's about 25 feet in the air, and I think it was like October 19th or something.
Come on.
I ended up taking him.
It's done here in North Florida, baby.
Here's the before, and here soon, you guys are going to see you now.